Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Obsidian Notes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add colored text using simple HTML, customize colors for important information, and make your notes more visually organized and easier to scan. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you want to create or edit your notes. Obsidian is primarily a Markdown-based note-taking application, but it also supports certain HTML elements, which gives you extra flexibility when formatting content. This is especially useful when you want specific words, phrases, or reminders to stand out with color. To keep things organized, create a new folder if you'd like a dedicated space for testing. You can do this by clicking the New Folder option in the File Explorer. Give the folder any name you prefer. Next, create a new note inside that folder by clicking New Note. This will give you a blank workspace where you can experiment safely without affecting your existing notes. Now, click inside the editor and place your cursor where you want the colored text to appear. To change font color, you'll use a simple HTML span tag with a style attribute. Start by typing an opening span tag and specifying a color value. For example, you can use a standard color name such as red, blue, green, purple, or orange. After the opening tag, type the text you want to highlight, then add a closing span tag to end the formatting. Once you've entered the code correctly, Obsidian will usually display the colored text automatically through Live Preview or Reading View. If you don't see the color immediately, switch between editing and reading modes to confirm the formatting is working properly. One advantage of this method is flexibility. You're not limited to basic color names. You can also use hexadecimal color codes for more precise customization. For example, a hex code allows you to choose almost any shade imaginable. This is useful if you want your notes to match a specific theme or visual style. Many users create color systems where red highlights urgent tasks, green marks completed items, blue identifies reference material, and yellow draws attention to important reminders. Another helpful tip is to use colored text sparingly. When everything is highlighted, nothing stands out. Instead, reserve colors for key information, such as deadlines, action items, warnings, definitions, or important project notes. This keeps your vault clean while still making critical information easy to find at a glance. You can also combine colored text with other formatting options. For example, you might use bold text together with a color to create even stronger emphasis. This works particularly well in study notes, project plans, meeting summaries, and personal knowledge management systems where organization is important. If you ever want to remove the color, simply delete the span tags and keep the text itself. Since the formatting exists directly in the note, your chosen colors will remain consistent even if you switch Obsidian themes later. And that's it. You now know how to change font color in Obsidian Notes by creating a note, using a span tag with a color style, customizing colors with names or hex codes, and applying them strategically to improve readability and organization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.